Next, we're gonna talk about Fazer, and we have this word called Fazer. It is a multi-talented verb because in English we do homework and make a cake, but in Portuguese it's all Fazer. So, for example, fiz o jantar. I made dinner. Fiz os trabalhos de casa. I did the homework. One verb, so many jobs, guys. Just don't say you fizz a friend unless you want some confused looks on your face, guys, because the truth is this could be a big mix-up. A quick personality thought for you. The word tímido equals shy. Reservado equals private or reserved. So when someone introduced me as a super social person, I smiled, but inside I screamed because I was thinking to myself, who are they talking about? I'm more reservado with maybe just, a good poker face. So yes, I intend to study Portuguese daily. Mistakes like these, guys, they're embarrassing but memorable. They make you laugh and learn at the same time. I'll give you guys another joke. One time I went out with some friends to a restaurant, and my friend was trying to speak English and he didn't want me to order for him. So he and his wife and then I saw them practicing in the parking lot. We got in the restaurant, we sat down. My friend bustled and decided he can order. So he ordered like a fillet and a bread. And then, he looked squarely in the face of Garçon and he said, and I want a big cock. Now, if you had your own funny mix-ups, guys, I want you to share it below. Because that was every time I see him and his wife, we always have this conversation. He meant, I want a big coke. So that's one for you guys. Happy Monday. Cheers.